Hey guys, this is Peter Mark with Peter Mark SEO, and today I want to do a tidbit video and kind of reverse engineer what's happening with Zillow and do my first correlation study. So this is going to be study number one, and if you will, give me some feedback below in the comments under this blog post, and this is just for ActiveRain community agents. So this video is going to be unlisted, private. And the examples here, I want to show you I'm not affiliated with any of the websites. I'm not here to pick on any real estate website. I just want to do a correlation study, get your feedback, and share some data with you to actually help you rank better and give you some tips. Maybe you can learn something along the way. So we got the big Z, of course, Zillow.com, and I hear a lot of agents complain on ActiveRain and other forums and websites. They're outranking me. They're always on page one in Google and so forth. And I'm going to show you some evidence that this is not always the case, and especially for local keyword queries like subdivisions or neighborhoods, where the actual volume, search volume, might be less per month, but you still can get that traffic and outrank Zillow. So let's figure out how to do that. I use SEMrush.com. This is one of the SEO tools I use, one of many, to kind of reverse engineer the rankings of my competition. And you can use this also. It's a monthly fee. But so when I plug in Zillow.com, and of course you can see what they rank for, their graph here. So they get like 47, it's almost 50 million users per month as far as their traffic. And they even rank for, many of these terms, but the terms that I'm interested in is like homes for sale or subdivision or neighborhood. And let me just give you an example. Homes for sale, just to show you, and you can confirm on your end. So let's see here. I'm going to scroll down. So, for instance, homes for sale in Florida. Looks like they're on position 1, 18,100 searches a month. And you can confirm this as well on your end. So, homes for sale in Maryland, homes for sale in Nashville, Tennessee. They're pretty much in every state in the United States. Okay? They're the dominating bigger portal that's taken over the search engines. This is one of them. There's many, but let's go further in and inspect. Now, wait a second. What website is outranking Zillow, or one of the websites? And I stumbled across a keyword through some reverse engineering, and we'll do that together. Type in Highland Creek homes for sale into your Google below, and I'm using Chrome browser, and this is what I get. You can see here, there's this website here. Terra Vista Realty is outranking Zillow. Of course, Realtor.com is number 1. But look at there, Zillow is number 3 on my end. Is it on your end? Maybe you have a mobile device. I'm on a laptop. And let's see here. So how many people type this in per month? Highland Creek homes for sale. I mean, this sounds to me like a subdivision or a local neighborhood. So let's take a look. Let's see here. Highland Creek homes for sale. There you go. 590 searches per month. This website is getting Highland Creek homes for sale. So here's my first evidence that you can outrank Zillow, Trulia, Redfin. Look at all these other results on page 1 in Google for a local keyword. And let's inspect this. Let's see what's so special about this website. Wow, that loads pretty quick. It's a secure website. Okay. Let me see what kind of, it's a landing page and to the, like a MLS feed, because I'm sure there's no way this agent has this many listings. But let's inspect a random listing page and see what kind of feed this is. Okay, it looks to be like it's not an iframe. Is this like, let me open up the image, see where the image is hosted. Terra Vista Realty. So it's hosted on their domain, and it's a RETS feed. Interesting. Okay, so this is not IDX Broker. It's not Showcase IDX. This looks to be like it's on their own server. Okay, we have our first study for that website. If you want to confirm below in the comments on this blog, let me know. And that's interesting. So let me close that out. Let me do another keyword. I know back in early 2000s, I was active in real estate before I got into SEO full time. And I was in the Charleston market after moving from Chicago, and a couple years in Charleston. So I figured, let me get my domain. Let me do my own SEO. Let me DIY everything so I could save money. One of the domains I had was, I believe it was Charleston SC realestate.net. But let's see who's ranking now. Charleston SC Real Estate. Let's see what happens on this query. Okay. On your end, you'll probably see some ads. I have my ads disabled, but there should be some ads on your end. You can verify. But let's see how many people actually type in Charleston SC Real Estate. And you can see here, 8,100 per month type in Charleston SC Real Estate. So at that time, I did have a domain. I tried to rank it. It was hard. I got it up to like page 1, but then Google booted me because I bought backlinks. I had a slow server and a couple other factors. But let's inspect this result. So I'm seeing 19,400 on my end competing pages. And what we're going to do, let's go to page 3. Let's pick out a random website that's on page 3 and see why they're not ranking. Right here, charlestonAddress.com. Why is this website on page 3 for this keyword? Okay, first off, I can tell it's not secure. It's not a secure website. When I did this video, I did run my software program, and it checks for 500 off-page and on-page factors as far as compared to what's happening on page 1. And it's the reason why I like to use a data software is because, you know, over the years I have taken so many SEO courses, videos, Neil Patel, Bruce Clay, Jeff Smith. I've taken so many, and the thing that I've learned is you have to measure. You have to, you can't even listen to me. You have to go by data, like factual data, empirical data, not theory, but actually what's happening on page 1. You have to measure that because why? Because Google is an algorithm. I mean, it's data. They have PhDs and they use mathematics. for what's happening on page one. And anytime there's a change, there's always an algorithm update. There's a mobile update, index update, or another update, next month. And you have to pinpoint that data, what happened to your website, that it go up or down. So you have to measure. It's kind of like you want to lose weight. You have a scale. You have to measure it. So with a developer I'm working with, we have a software, and we correlate 500 factors on page and off on page. And so this, I plugged in that website, and here's why it's ranking on page 3. This is the tuning that it needs right here for that domain. So it needs to tune its content, implement social, the headings. So it needs leading keywords in the title, H1, H3. Here's a roadmap. It's no secret. Google has everything in front of your eyes. If you type that in, the answer is there. All you have to do is reverse engineer data. Plug everything into data. Once you have data, you can correlate. Not listen to me or any other known SEO guru. You have to plug all these factors in of each website and see why they're ranking. So comment below if you like this video, if I should do another one, or if you have any recommendations, and thanks for watching.